Adding your signature to a PDF has never been more straightforward. This tool lets you insert your signature on any PDF. This video is a step-by-step guide on how you can do it simply on your PDF. Go to the I Love PDF Signer tool. You can see on the screen, all you need to do is upload the document that you wish to create your signature. You can simply follow the step. Now have to select the PDF that needs to be signed, upload it from your storage or cloud storage or computer. Now from the signing option, click on Only Me. Now fill in the name and initials, create your signature. Choose one of the options, text, draw and upload. After you have created your signature, click on Apply. That's so simple. You can simply see this on the screen. Now click on Apply to add your document in the PDF reader. In your signature option in the right, choose your signature. It could be simple or digital signature. Click on Signature field to place your signature on the document. You can also add initial, name, date, etc. Just click on the field, drag and drop into the position of your document. Once you have completed your document, click on the red sign button. Finally, you can download the signed copy. Now here the question arises. Simple versus digital. Now here a question arises. Simple versus digital signature. Which one you should choose? The simple signature allows you to sign PDF with the standard electronic signal, while if you need to sign an NDA or another important business document like contract, it's recommended to sign with digital signature. And I'll see you in the next one.